We have the TQQQ simple moving average. This is actually a bot that I really like. And funny enough, I am actually not running this with real money, right? So I was actually thinking maybe I could just run this strategy. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this one, but this is actually one of my favorites that we're still not even running yet, which is kind of crazy, or at least I'm not running it with real money, right? And I've talked about this forever and we don't actually have this running. Let me show you guys why I like this one. Right, it's a very simple strategy. It does like 36% a year. It's not like crazy mind-blowing returns, but we have a very long track record on it. So we back tested it for 13 years and we got some pretty damn good results for 13 years. Look at this. 36% a year, total return is 5,000%, right? We could see here the S&P over the same time period did 455%. This strategy did 5,330% over that same time period. So it's actually pretty damn good. It's not like mind-blowing, holy crap, this thing makes, 300% a year, but I would actually take this. I would actually be pretty happy to trade this one. Basically what it does is it trades TQQQ. If you guys have never seen it before, what TQQQ is, this is TQQQ, right? And if you go over the long term, look at the returns on this. It's wild, right? TQQQ, since its inception in 2010, is up 23,000%. Holy crap, okay? This is one hell of an asset, right? But the problem with TQQQ is that it's very volatile. It's triple leveraged NASDAQ. So it's QQQ times 3, right? So you see that it has a really crazy return in the long run, but it does have a lot of like crazy volatility too. So you see in 2021, November, it was up to $88 and then it collapsed down to $20 by about the same time the year after. So it lost 75% of its value over the course of a year. That was during the bear market of 22, right? So for me, I personally want to just own it outright. So what we did was we made a bot that basically trades it, swing trades it specifically, right? So if you look at this tear sheet here, basically what it does is if it's above the moving average, the 200-day moving average, if it's above that, then it holds it. But if it's below that, it drops it. So you can see here, 2022, TQQQ had this big drop, whereas this trading strategy did not. It fell a bit and then flat, and then went back up again as soon as the market started to rise again. So you can see here that not only does it beat the S&P by a really big margin, but even when you match the volatility, right? Because this is a triple leverage, so it is riskier. You can see that still beats the S&P even when you compare it to the risk that you're taking as well, right? So this is a pretty interesting strategy. So I would be inclined to actually try this one, right? Especially because this AI, for some reason, will not let me create the Iron Condor bot, which we're going to have to talk to our dev team after that. And this one that the AI created for us is not really trading right now. So we'll let this thing run its course, and then we can kind of tell the AI, hey, this thing's not working. We added a bunch of buttons for that, and we could actually fix that. But I'm inclined to actually run this TQQQ bot. I feel like we've talked about this for like the longest time, and we're not actually running it. So I think that'd be kind of a cool thing to run. Let's see what you guys said here. Will said futures. I honestly don't know enough about futures. I actually don't even have a futures account set up, so I wouldn't be able to trade futures. I think that'd be pretty interesting to do maybe in a session in the future. Maybe we could run a futures bot. This is Will's. Oh, look at that. I can actually show your comment there, Will.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.